Hello everyone, I am Subhasri. Today we are going to see about popliteal fossa contents. Okay, in my previous video we learned about popliteal fossa roof, floor and then boundaries of the popliteal fossa. Okay, and then in this video we are going to see about popliteal fossa contents, that are tibial nerve, popliteal artery and popliteal vein. Okay, this popliteal artery and popliteal vein enter the popliteal fossa through the tendinous opening, that is adductor hiatus present in the adductor magnus muscle. Okay, yeah, and this femoral artery and femoral vein continues as popliteal artery and popliteal vein in the popliteal fossa. Okay, yeah. First of all, popliteal fossa is the diamond-shaped depression present just behind the knee joint. Okay, in the upper angle of the popliteal fossa, here you can see sciatic nerve. Here sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve divides into tibial nerve and a common peroneal nerve, like this, in the upper angle of the popliteal fossa. This is the tibial nerve and this is the common peroneal nerve. Yeah, and next is the popliteal vein. Popliteal vein. Like this you can see. And next is the popliteal artery. Yeah. Tibial nerve, common peroneal nerve, popliteal vein and popliteal artery. If you divide the popliteal fossa into three portions, that is, this is the upper portion and this is middle portion and this is lower portion. Okay, in the upper portion of the popliteal fossa you can see that tibial nerve is in the lateral. Okay, and middle is the popliteal vein and most medial is the popliteal artery. Okay, but when you see in the lower portion you can see that tibial nerve is in the medial side. Okay, and vein is in the middle and popliteal artery in the lateral side. Okay, when you see it in the middle you can see that they are arranged from anterior to posterior. Okay, because popliteal fossa is present in the posterior side, so anterior to posterior. Most anterior is the popliteal artery and in the middle you can see popliteal vein and most posterior is the tibial nerve. Okay, this thing you want to know. Okay, I made one model for this, for understanding this popliteal fossa's arrangements, contents arrangement. This is that. Yeah, I marked a nerve in a yellow color and a vein in blue color and a artery in red color. Okay, yeah, first you can see in the upper portion. This is the upper portion. In the upper portion you can see that this is the medial side and this is lateral side. Okay, in the medial side you can see artery is the most medial and the middle is the vein, popliteal vein, and the nerve is the lateral side. Okay, when you see it in the middle you can see artery is the anterior. Okay, இப்படி தான் இருக்கும் இது. It is arranged like this. Okay, artery, vein and nerve. Artery, vein and nerve. Most posterior is the nerve and most anterior is the artery and middle vein. When you see in the lower portion, you can see that nerve is in the medial side and artery lateral and middle vein, popliteal artery and then tibial nerve. And you want to remember one thing, in the upper angle of the popliteal fossa here, this sciatic nerve divides into tibial nerve and common peroneal nerve. This common peroneal nerve traverses along the bicep femoris here. Okay. Yeah, that's all about this. In the upper portion, artery medial to lateral. Okay, medial to lateral. So artery, vein and nerve. Okay, in the middle portion, from behind to forward, அதாவது posterior to anterior, behind to forward. Okay, behind to forward, nerve, vein and artery. Most anterior is the artery and most posterior is the nerve, behind to forward. Okay, and next is the lower portion, medial to lateral, nerve, tibial nerve, vein and then artery. Okay, this thing you want to remember. And then in the popliteal fossa contents you can see some subcutaneous tissue, that is adipose tissue, and also the lymphatic nodules. Okay, this lymphatic nodules are present along the popliteal fossa arteries and vein. About the popliteal fossa contents, if you have any doubt, you ask in the comment box, and then subscribe our channel and motivate us, like and share our videos. Okay, thank you everyone.